In today's video, I'm going to show you how to format the information in the pivot table, specifically the values or the numbers here. So what I'm going to do here, I want to format these numbers to currency, right? So I'm going to click outside since I've just showed you what I'm going to do. So what you would do is click on the column, right, that has the values that you want to format in the pivot table. So what I'll do is right click, then I would come down to show values as, and I can come across now and I can choose, I want it to be, or it could be percentage of total columns total, right? And this is how you would do the percentage if you wanted it. I'm going to undo. I'm going to click outside again to start over. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to format cells. Then I'm going to click currency and then I'm going to choose 2 decimal places and I'm going to click OK. And this is how you would format the information to currency. Now, if you want to do it for all of them, what you'd have to do is click cell B4, then block the range of cells B4 through B8 and repeat the process. Right click, format cells, or go number format, and then you click currency, and we have 2 decimal places here. Click OK. So this is how you would change the numbers to currency. Okay.